Hey guys, what's up? So I hope you have watched the first video in which I have talked about what should be your mental status, what should be your attitude, and it is very much possible to crack the prelims in 5 months duration, as well as mains, as well as interview, as well as getting a top 100 rank. But you have to give like 12 hours for next 5 months, and the final battle day will be on 18 June 2017. Just remember that it's better to sweat in practice. जितना आप पसीना बहाओगे उतना ही कम खून निकलता है आपकी जंग मैदान में. ठीक है, तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो दिस विल कवर अ टाइम प्लान और अ टाइम टेबल और प्लान और वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू कॉल इट टू क्रैक यूपीएससी सीएससी प्रीलिम्स इन 5 months, है ना. So this is presented by me, Roman Seni. So before we get started, I wanted to clarify that these book lists are not like exhaustive. ऐसा कुछ पक्का नहीं है कि मतलब these are the books you should read, you should not read anything else. So just like that, we are doing a lot of assumptions in this video. First of all, like not many of you will clear it because you will not be able to give 12 to 16 hours a day. It में 5-6 घंटे वाला principle नहीं लगेगा. You have to give 12 hours. You have to be really motivated to crack this exam. It might be your last attempt. You are 31 years old, or you have children. Whatever might be the reason, but you need to be really motivated. ठीक है, internal motivation होना चाहिए. It should not be because like of as any other person. You should not have any upcoming functions. कोई आपकी शादी हो रही है, आपको कोई graduation exam है, ये सब हो रहा है, और if you not studied at all till now, then it is very difficult. Then obviously आपके relative strength और weakness पे depend करते हुए you can replace one subject to the other. For example, if I give polity 2 weeks and your optional is political science like Tina Dabi, in that case you can replace that subject with something else, like environment might be weak, right? ठीक है, and again like you can replace Lakshmikant by let's say any coaching notes depending on your background, etc. And even if you have read a lot, if this timetable will be just fine for you also, even if you are an old player. So you have roughly 23 weeks till 18th June of 2017, and this is just a sample, and if you want to modify it you can modify it, and almost everything related to UPSC CSE which I will be covering here is covered in unacademy.com. Just remember, keep calm and follow the plan. Okay, so let's see what is the plan. So we will start with Sunday 1. So today is 13th of January 2017, and let's say you watch this video on, let's say आप मार्च में वीडियो देख रहे हो, even then you can combine this together and study for 16 hours a day and finish it quickly. If you are watching today, so 15 January 2016, start with polity Lakshmikant, then environment and academy lessons. Okay, they are available on YouTube. We will make a course also, and it will be available in February. Very detailed course with almost all the current affairs updates. For current issues, Sunday ko you have to start with the Hindu and Academy current affairs courses, which is made by a lot of people. Dipanshu, Yasmin, me, Vimal. MCQs are solved by me. No need to do the test on 15th of January. ठीक है? Then the week 1 is 16 से 21 January 2017. इसमें आपको पढ़नी पड़ेगी पॉलिटी लक्ष्मीकांत. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वीक, एंड एनवायरनमेंट एंड अकेडमी लेसन्स, एंड जस्ट कीप ऑन फॉलोइंग अन अकेडमी करंट अफेयर्स एज वेल. सी इट हैज़ टू गो लाइन बाय लाइन. पहले मैं बोलता था कि आप वीकेंड पे देख लो और वैसे कर लो, बट नाउ एवरी डे यू हैव टू स्टडी करंट अफेयर्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज अर्लियर आई आस्क्ड यू टू गिव 6 to 8 hours. नाउ आई एम आस्किंग यू टू गिव 12 to 16 hours, exactly double. Then you on Sunday always do revision of last week. Okay, don't learn anything new, plus read the current affairs, plus give subject wise MCQs of last years of just 6 years, 2011 to 2016. No need to go beyond that. ठीक है, of UPSC pre obviously mains मत solve करना. Then you have week 2 from 23rd to 28th of January 2017. Again focus on polity and finish entire environment current affairs from unacademy courses. We will be making very soon. I will be personally making it. And current issues के लिए always follow on Hindu, and current affairs means Yojana also, and you can watch the entire Yojana summary on unacademy.com, Hindu also. Then on when it comes to Sunday 3, that is 29 January 2017, please do the revision of last week. ठीक है, clear है? Or every Sunday you should do revision of last week. Now if you don't want to read Lakshmikant, if you don't want to watch an academy videos, you can read whatever you want to read like. Then attempt the subject wise MCQs of last years of 2011 to 2016, that is UPSC prelims, and give test as many as possible. It can be of UPSC, or it can be of any coaching, or it can be an academy mock test, whatever you feel like. Then comes week 3, that is 30th January to 4th of February 2017. Physical geography class 11, start with that. Then NCRT, okay. Then economics NCRT, okay, that is the geography one. Then Ayush Sanghi videos on an academy. Then economic survey for latest information, it will be covered by an academy in very much details. Cool. Then you have the fourth Sunday, that is 5th February 2017. Please revise whatever you read in the last week. So economic survey, please do not start reading on your own unless you have watched this course first. It will make your task 90% easier. जैसे कि अगर आप हिंदू पढ़ने से पहले हिंदू का जो समरी देख लो आप 10-15 मिनट की और एडिटोरियल एनालिसिस 10 मिनट की, तो 20 मिनट में आपका 1 घंटा बच जाएगा. ठीक है. सो डू द रिविजन ऑफ लास्ट वीक, डू स्टडी करंट अफेयर्स फ्रॉम हिंदू एंड योजना और वॉच ऑन अनअकैडमी एंड अटेम्प्ट सब्जेक्ट वाइज एमसीक्यूज ऑफ लास्ट ईयर यूपीएससी प्री. एक पेपर जरूर देना संडे को. Then week 4 is from 6th February to 11th February 2017. Do Indian Geography class 11th NCERT. If you do not know where these books are coming from, please watch the previous part. Then economics continue with Ayush Sanghi lessons on unacademy.com. Then economic survey for latest information. It will be again covered by Unacademy. Then Yojana plus economic survey plus budget plus India yearbook. They will be like covered in Unacademy courses very very detail wise. ठीक है. January योजना is already covered. Then फेब्रवरी योजना, मार्च योजना, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जब तक योजना आएगी तब तक हम कवर करते रहेंगे. इकोनॉमिक सर्वे ऑलरेडी said it will covered, budget will be covered, and India yearbook is already summarized of last year. We will summarize it again. Then on 12th February 2017, please do the revision of last week. The Hindu and Academy current affairs courses, that is daily and monthly, you need to do, and attempt subject wise MCQs of last year's from 2011 to 2016. Then in week 5 from 13 to 18 February 2017, start with geography, economics, polity and environment revision. So by now all these 4 topics has to be covered. Do keep on focusing on the current affairs on a daily basis. Then on the 6th Sunday, that is 19th February 2017, do the revision of last week. अगर कुछ बच गया है तो इस पॉइंट तक 19 फरवरी तक आपका जोग्राफी, इकोनॉमी, पॉलिटी, एनवायरनमेंट सब कुछ रिवाइज हो जाना चाहिए. Then attempt subject wise MCQs, keep on doing that. Now if you see the change, 12th March 2017 से you have to do full syllabus mock. तब तक आपके पास लगभग 2 महीने हैं जब तक आप सब्जेक्ट वाइज MCQ सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Now when it comes to 6th week, that is from 20 to 25 February, start with modern history Rajiv Ahir, or you can watch courses on Unacademy by Nandini Maharaj if you prefer videos. Then Spectrum, that is the book is name, and revise or complete if anything is remaining in the past. Then obviously Sundays for revision of the week, attempt the subject wise questions. Then week 7 start with art and culture. You can watch the Tamil Nadu, read the Tamil Nadu history 11th class, ancient and medieval. Art and culture, I have made a lot of YouTube lessons on Unacademy. Also on unacademy.com has a lot of courses. Then art and culture, follow Nitin Singhania if you have read it, or any other coaching material. Again I am telling you, you can modify this according to your strength and weaknesses. You can replace one book with another. You can replace anything with coaching material. You can replace anything with Unacademy videos. Okay, so is it clear? Then in modern history, for revision or completion, just do it. Then on 5th March 2017, revise whatever is remaining of the last week. Then 6th to 11th March 2017, Tamil Nadu history, that is class 11th, and again in art and culture, follow my Unacademy videos and YouTube lessons, and art and culture, follow Nitin Singhania's book if you are reading that. Then 12th March 2017, revision of last week, and by this Sunday you should have covered polity, economy, geography, environment, history. All these 5 topics has to be covered in next 2 months, and you have to give one full syllabus mock, भले कितने भी number आए. Then week 9 is 13 to 18 March 2017. Cover portions which you feel are very very important or in which you are weak. Do study Hindu and Yojana. Okay, Hindu everyday, Yojana every month. Then do the revision of last week. अब आपके पास 19th March तक, that is exactly 2 months from now, you have done with the revision of the 5 subjects. Now do the polity and environment second round from 20 to 25 March of 2017. Give full syllabus mock and try to score very highly in polity and environment. देन पॉलिटी का थोड़ा बहुत पोर्शन बच जाएगा. इकोनॉमिक्स का सेकंड राउंड कर लेना, ठीक है. दैट इज फ्रॉम 27 मार्च, दैट इज वीक 11. देन 2 अप्रैल 2017, डू द रिविजन ऑफ लास्ट वीक. देन इन वीक 12, दैट इज 3 to 8 अप्रैल 2017, डू इकोनॉमिक्स एंड जोग्राफी, जो थोड़ा बहुत इकोनॉमिक्स बच जाएगा, डू द सेकंड राउंड. एंड 9th अप्रैल को एक और अगेन फुल सिलेबस मॉक दे देना. वी हैव मेड 4 फुल सिलेबस मॉक्स, एंड इफ यू वांट अस टू मेक मोर मॉक्स, राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, वी विल डू दैट. Then week 13, 10 to 15 April 2017, geography and modern history second round has to be covered. Okay. Then in week 14, modern history and ancient medieval culture second round, please do that. And by week 15, that is the April end, do ancient medieval culture and any other subject. Now CSAT paper 2, अगर आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा वीक हो, आपके 66 मार्क्स भी नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो you can give 1 or 2 days on that also. But even if you are very strong, just give one Sunday on that, that is 30th April 2017. Okay. Then 1st to 6th May 2017, general revision as per your need. Then Unacademy courses will be there on budget, economic survey, MCQs for prelims 2017. जो भी सारे courses हैं, that is from May 2016 to अभी तक क्या चालू हो जाएगा, May 2017 तक सारे कर लेना. That will amount to लगभग 3000 MCQs. So solve all of them on unacademy.com. Again current affairs जो भी हमारा हिंदू और PIB चल रहा है, योजना चल रही है, उनको पढ़ लेना. Then 7th May 2017, give a mock test and analyze your weakness. That is full syllabus mock. We will provide these mock tests to you. Don't worry. Then on polity and environment, do the third round. Economics and geography, do the third round. Then geography and modern history, do the third round. Modern history and ancient medieval culture, do the third round. Okay. सो बाई एंड लार्ज अगर इसके अलावा जैसे आपका थोड़ा बहुत साइंस एंड टेक बच जाएगा, सो उसके लिए यू डोंट नीड टू लाइक इफ़ यू हैव नॉट रेड इट एट ऑल, लाइक यू कैन जस्ट फोकस ऑन आपका जो भी यहाँ पे वीक पोर्शन है उसमें आप डाल सकते हैं. बाकी जो हिंदू योजना और आपकी जो बेसिक एनसीईआरटीज़ हैं उससे वो काफ़ी हद तक कवर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. उसके अलावा उसमें से ऐसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन बनते नहीं है. जो करंट अफेयर्स के होते हैं वही क्वेश्चन होते हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, स्टैटिक पोर्शन में से 60-70% कंटेंट आएगा, करंट अफेयर्स में से 30-40% आएगा. करंट अफेयर्स में से कम भी आ सकता है, बट दैट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेड. ठीक है. एंड देन द रिवीजन एज पर योर नीड. अगेन अगर आप साइंस एंड टेक में वीक हो तो वो पढ़ लो. अगर आपको आर्ट एंड कल्चर, एंशिएंट मेडिवल हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, साइंस, एनवायरनमेंट कुछ भी वीक हो, आपको जो भी कम आता है, इकोनॉमी, पॉलिटी, ज्योग्राफी, कुछ भी आपको जो लगता है कि आपका वीक पोर्शन है, जस्ट फिनिश दैट ऑफ. Okay, so I have left enough leeway for revision. As you can see, general revision as per your need, here also revision as per your need. But when the week 22 is over, then there is only one thing, that is the battle. As you can see in the slide 1, you have to do the battle here. That is the final battle day. So I want you to be really prepared for it. If you want any specific help from unacademy.com, then let us know. We will provide that. If it is mock test, if it is personal guidance or whatever. But always remember, it's better to sweat in practice than bleed in war. So I hope you have watched this lesson thoroughly and follow this timetable. You can make your necessary adjustments. Thank you for watching this. Have an awesome day.